What's the meaning of animation? Animation. 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 Animation.
Animation refers to the process of creating the illusion of motion and change by rapidly displaying a sequence of static images. It is a technique that has been used in various forms for decades, from traditional hand-drawn animation to modern computer-generated animation. The result of animation is a moving image that can be used for entertainment, education, advertising, and more. Animated films and TV shows are popular forms of entertainment, and animated graphics and videos are frequently used in digital marketing and social media content.